What'd you say, Eric?
I love you too, Barbara!
Eric's locked in the bathroom right now. Boxes. All the way to here.
Yes.
Eric, Eric, why don't you try to get out now?
We moved a small box. What a jerk. I think he blames me. Go ahead, Eric, give it a try. Wait, a little harder. Come on, at the bottom. Try to shove at the bottom, not the top. We're helping you here.
I'm gonna break this door.
You know, that's how I had to shove it.
Is it from the bottom?
Yeah.
But did you cave in the door?
No, I didn't cave in the door. Come on, Eric. Jesus Christ, you wimp. Do it again. This is ceasing to be funny because you're fucking a wimp.
I kicked the peppers on the floor.
Try again. The bottom. The bottom. Okay. Wait a minute. Hi, Eric.
Hi.
Eric, put your head out. We're not going to slam the door on your head. Put your head out. See what we got planned here for you. That was a dumb move, Eric. You're gonna go home smelling pretty tonight. Were you gonna tell your wife you were in Lysol? I was cologne by Lysol.
I can't breathe.
All right, we'll let you out.
San Diego Crow's Nest.